Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see how to set up the Windows Portable Home Assistant on PC or laptop. Let us see how to do it. Just visit this GitHub page. I have attached the link in description. We must thanks Alex for creating the code for this application, which is very light. You can go through the information given on this page. Just come down over here to how to. So here is the procedure to set up this HASSWP on PC or laptop. First download this zip file, then unpack it and then run it. Click over here on this link. This is the latest release available. Come over here and just download this zip file, that is HASSWP 2021.11.5.zip. I have already downloaded this zip file. This is the zip file which I have downloaded. Just unzip it, then you will get these folders and the files over here. Click here on HASS, which is Windows command script. So command prompt is opened. The setup procedure has started. It will take some time. So this is the Windows Defender firewall prompt. Just allow this permission by clicking over here on allow access. So this is the Home Assistant page. So we need to create the account. Just write here some name. I have given the name as home. I'm going to keep the username as home and enter the password. So click here on create account. Click here on next. Click on next. Click here on finish. This is the Home Assistant dashboard. This is empty now. We will integrate the Tasmota device, that is ESP32 board, with the Home Assistant. I have already flashed the Tasmota firmware into my ESP32 board. So let us do some configuration using the main page of the Tasmota. So this is the main page of the Tasmota. Just click here on the configuration. Click here on configure module. Set GPIO2 as PWM. Set GPIO36 as Hall effect sensor. Do same with the GPIO39. Set this as 2. Save the configuration. Device is restarting. Now LED on ESP32 board is off. So turn the LED on by clicking over here on toggle. So LED on ESP32 board is on. Turn it off by clicking the toggle again. So click here on the configuration. We will configure MQTT. Select the broker of your choice. I am selecting broker.emqx.io as my broker. I am deleting the username and password and saving the configuration. Device is restarting again. Click here again on the configuration. Go to configure other. Change this name as test ESP and give the device name as test Tasmota. Save the configuration. So device is again restarting. So let us go to the Home Assistant page. Click here on the configuration. Click here on the integration. Click here on add integration. Search for MQTT. Click here on MQTT. Give the broker name as broker.emqx.io. Keep this port number same as 1883. Click here on the submit button. We can see our Tasmota device has been discovered. Let us configure it. Click here on submit. So configuration has been created. This many devices are discovered. Click here on finish. Let us click on the devices here and search for test. So this is our device. Click over here. So this is the control for operating the LED. You can see LED is off on the ESP32 board. Add this control to Lovelace by clicking over here. Add this to Lovelace UI. So it has been successfully added. We will add the sensors to the Lovelace. Click over here, add to Lovelace UI. So go to overview to see the dashboard. Now you can see the LED status and the sensor values are available on the dashboard. Click here. You can see the LED status and the sensor values are available over here. Let us try to turn the LED on. So LED on ESP32 board is on. So that's it. We have successfully integrated our ESP32 device with the Home Assistant. If your broker is giving you the problem, then you can use the other broker. Now in this video we have seen how to set up the Home Assistant on the PC or the laptop, and we have integrated our Tasmota device with the Home Assistant. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please give me thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks and have a good time.